Hey everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine here at the Kiwanisland Car Show, 6th annual actually, and I'm here with Randy Palmer in a 1960 Dodge W100 half-ton swept-line truck, an incredible vehicle. But let's hear Randy tell us about it. Randy, tell us about your truck.
Well, I bought the truck almost 40 years ago. We lived in Paradise, California. So it was my town truck. It was never a work truck. Decorated it in Christmas lights. The kids had car seats in it. And so moved back down here where I'm from, San Gabriel Valley. And about 18 years ago, I did a full frame off restoration on it. It has 20 factory options, and they only made 10 of these in 1960. And reportedly, there's only 2 left in the world.
Wow.
So you hear it all the time, but it's definitely my baby. I've got a number of cars, but this is my favorite. It's detailed underneath as well as the top, but that's a sand dune white original paint color. Even though it's a 4-wheel drive, it drives at 70 miles an hour on the freeway. It's very dependable. It's a 318 poly block, which is original motor, transmission. We put a little bigger tires on it, and those actually were an option in 1960. I've just been to many shows with it. It has a very rare rooftop radio in it that's AM, that's all been rebuilt. And it's been the proud recipient of a number of trophies over the last 40 years, and I'm very proud of this truck. And as you can tell, I try to keep it as nice as I can.
It is a beauty. Well, thank you so much, Randy.
Well, you're very welcome. It was a pleasure meeting you.
All right.
And thanks for admiring my truck. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Pinky Swear, and thank you for watching Blacktop TV.